Becky's got a new van.
We are literally off to Ford in Gloucester to pick up my van. I am so excited, but I'm also a little bit scared for this new chapter in our lives. But fingers crossed, everything's fine. Let's go! So we've made it to Ford. We've literally just been dropped off by my lovely dad over there, and we are going to go in, get the keys, and have a tour around the bus before, well, tour around the van before we head off.
Becky's got a new van. She's a little bit excited.
Yeah.
We're here to pick it up.
Yay!
Let's go. Daughter and father.
I've decided to show Dad the van. You can have a look at it and see it for the first time. Oh, hello.
Who's done that? Oh yeah.
That's brilliant. Kate's just opened it.
Oh, I see.
So have a look in.
Whoa, what a van. What do you think, Mel?
I think it's lovely.
Smells good.
Oh,
Yeah?
very nice. Yeah, very nice.
We'll give you a proper tour later, but this is just the first impression.
Does the door lift up that way?
Yeah, tailgate.
Oh, that's
yeah.
a better job, isn't it?
Do you want to have a look?
Yeah, I'll have a look, yeah. Oh, I think I'll approve of this spec, yeah. Bunch of new tyres on it, though.
It has got new tyres, but I will be getting some wheels eventually. But yeah, it's going to be good, isn't it? Nice and shiny and new. We've got a lot of work to do now.
Oh. This is Becky's new van. A lifetime's investment. Well done, Beck. Yeah. Thank you for that. Anyway, I'll leave you to...
Yeah, to sort it out.
I now declare this van open.
Yeah. And we'll see you back in Stroud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just say thank you for Kate, will you, for me?
I'll say thank you to Kate for you, yeah. We'll see you guys later too. We've just got to go in and do some paperwork, haven't we? I had this custom fitted.
Any reason?
Because it looks badass. Alright.
Okay.
See you later.
Lovely.
Thank
Yeah,
you for the
okay.
lift.
I approve, yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
good.
See you later.
See you later, Bob.
Okay.
Drive safe.
Alright, okay.
See you later. That's Dad doing his 2 pence into the mix, but it's very kind of him to give Mel and I a lift down to the garage. So we're going to go in, sort out the paperwork, have a tour of the cab, get set up, and then we'll go for a drive. Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah. See you in a bit.
There you go.
I want to see where you live. Done.
Then one more,
Oh, right, okay.
which is the order form. Which is... You don't need to sign anything now. And then we can go up to the van.
Yay. Great. Got the paperwork.
There's your keys.
Thank you.
Open the door. Jump in there. I'll sit on the other side and we'll get you set up with the entertainment system. Okay.
It's all very real now, isn't it?
Becky's got a new van. She's a bit shy.
Kate's been amazing.
Right. Your bar's just under there to pull yourself forward.
Oh, yeah.
And if you want to adjust your seat down a bit, the handle's just on the side there.
Yes, the thing is to try and work out this. Yeah, I have to go closer. I'm a little shorty.
So what are you doing? Adding,
We're connecting.
pairing the phone to the van?
Yeah, so then you can control your Apple Play and everything through this system.
You can see unauthorized entry into the vehicle. You can see your fuel and AdBlue levels.
It's gonna be one of them days.
Keep going.
I've never had a car this techno. I was happy with my last one and it had electric windows. So you just press on that
press
one.
On that one. It'll start downloading all the information. It might take a short while.
the most exciting.
Hang on, have I got one? No,
You
look at
have.
that, I've got
Look,
one too.
I've been complaining to Mel because every time in his van I go to go look in the mirror before we go anywhere, and I'm like,
Every time.
You need to
2
change the
years
sun visor.
she's been getting in my van and pulling the visor down and saying, oh, there's no mirror.
I forget every single time. I'm like, oh,
Blush, yeah.
yeah. But anyway, we're all sorted. We're gonna.
Well, after
get
12
integrated.
months, I think we need to pop some champagne. We got here. And thank you
That's
so much for
amazing.
your business. It's
You're
been an
very
absolute
welcome.
pleasure.
Thank you for being so great with everything as well, because yeah, it's definitely been a trial and error with COVID
It
and
has,
everything.
yeah.
So
Thank you for your
Yeah.
patience. It's
No, you're
greatly
welcome.
appreciated.
it actually really worked out well, didn't it, with the timing of everything. It meant that I could sort out some other stuff of life, and we kind of figured out what we wanted to do, didn't we? So
That's brilliant.
it's good. It's good.
Great,
Yeah, it's all good.
fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, I can let you be now, and send me a link to the YouTube channel so I can keep
Yes. Yeah.
an
Well,
update on
this
the
is
progress.
exactly what we're going to be doing soon, isn't it? And we're just going to. Well, it depends if it's going to rain, but we're going to go and take it up on the hill and do like a walk around film. But it
Nice.
depends
This
whether
is
you
for
want
your
to go
channel,
back.
not for mine.
Yeah. But it depends whether you want to go and get some lunch first.
No,
or
that's
something.
fine.
Brilliant.
Right, let's get going.
All the best, guys.
Thank you so much.
Nice to
Kate.
see you again.
Thank you,
and
Kate.
take care. See
And
ya.
Thank you.
I'll let you know we get back, okay?
Thank you.
It's a
Thank
pleasure.
you. Sorry
Absolute
to get
pleasure.
wet.
That's all right. Having another shower. So I'm more worried about your van getting wet.
Oh yeah, that's true actually.
Take care,
Thank
guys.
you
I'll
so
speak
much.
to you on Friday just to make sure all's well. Okay.
Yes, brilliant.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh.
Wasn't she lovely?
She's so lovely. Yeah.
Such a shame. Oh, we didn't wish her happy birthday.
I'll send her a text. We
Yeah,
can send
it's
her
her
a
birthday
message.
tomorrow.
30th.
30th.
September.
Oh, it's all right. Great.
It's your birthday tomorrow.
It is. It's my birthday tomorrow. Is this
Yeah.
my birthday present?
It can be. Your birthday present's in the post, can they?
Oh, all right. I'll take that.
First, yeah.
It's a long bonnet, isn't it? Now you've got to find reverse. Look at that. She's a pro. No, that was reverse.
Eh?
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah, I think so. Try biting the clutch before you let the handbrake off. Oh, there you go. Oh, the handbrake's off. You got that to
alright.
it. Yeah.
Except for this person now wants to come down. And I don't know where the fuck I'm going to go.
It's alright, he's get past that.
Yeah.
Yeah, just take your time.
Is it alright
I'll stop
outside?
filming. Well, we managed to get out of the garage unscathed, although it was a tight fit. Fair play
It
to
was
Becky for
tight.
getting out. It was very tight, and considering, you know, it's the first time she's driven this van, and they had vans all parked down one side, I think they was all ready to go today as well. We're not the only ones picking up a van today by the looks of it.
Yeah.
So, by the looks of it, I should say. So, well done, Becky. I'm going to actually stop recording because I don't want to put Becky off driving because she's not driven this van before. So we'll see you when we get to wherever it is we're going.
Yeah. Oh, it drives so smooth. Whoops, sorry. Very smooth.
Brakes are good.
Brakes are very good. Like I'm hardly on them. Hardly on them. This feels so nice. It's a joy to
Your
drive.
first ever brand new vehicle.
Yeah.
What
And
a
I
great
love that the dials are blue.
Aqua.
Oh my god. It will actually sink in now after the next few days, I think.
God, it's got plenty of go in it, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's lush.
This will be faster than your car.
Yeah.
So
That'll be fun.
scary enough driving with Becky driving a car, so I don't know what this is going to be like. She's a bit of a girl racer.
I am, yeah.
made it back.
Hey?
We made it back unscathed.
Like it. Are you wanting to know who's here? Okay. Look, my van's got dirt on it already. And dog hair now.
How was the drive back?
Dogs like it. The drive back was absolutely beautiful. It was such an easy ride. It felt like a fairy palace, didn't it?
I wouldn't say that.
It was good. It was really good. So yeah, we'll go off and get some lunch now and then film it later. Oh, I need to take the key out. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Hello. Welcome to the new